This is number 20, Good King Wenceslas. And in this exercise, they introduce the bracket. Okay, anytime you see a bracket like this, it can be under or it can be over the notes. It means to keep the finger down where the beginning of the bracket is until the bracket ends. So in this case, you keep your fourth finger down, pressing the D string down, while you play an A string. So it requires your fingertips to be very arched. So make sure you're playing on the tips and the fingers are nice and strong in that arch. Thumb is always behind second finger. They're partners. Here we go, number 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Rest. Rest.